Welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. If you've ever found yourself spending a lot on software licenses, you're not alone. Whether you're running a business, managing a team, or just a personal user with a lot of software needs, the cost of software licenses can add up quickly. But here's the good news: there are plenty of ways to save money on software licenses without sacrificing quality or functionality. In today's video, I'll show you how you can significantly cut down on those software expenses and still get the tools you need. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with strategies to save money while making the most of your software tools. So, let's get started. Why software license costs matter. Before we jump into the strategies, it's important to understand why software license costs can get out of hand. Many software tools require a one-time purchase, or increasingly, subscription-based payments that can add up over time. Whether you're running a business or just using software for personal projects, these costs can strain your budget, especially if you're using several different tools. The good news is that there are options out there to reduce these costs while still accessing high-quality software. Look for free alternatives. One of the easiest and most effective ways to save money on software is by looking for free alternatives. There are high-quality free tools available for almost every type of software, from office suites to image editing and video editing software. For instance, you can opt for LibreOffice instead of Microsoft Office or use GIMP instead of Adobe Photoshop. If you're into video editing, DaVinci Resolve is an excellent free alternative to Adobe Premiere, and for audio editing, Audacity can replace paid programs. The beauty of free software is that it provides essential features without any cost. However, make sure to check reviews and see if the software fits your needs before making the switch. Take advantage of student and educational discounts. So if you're a student, teacher, or part of an educational institution, you're in a great position to save money on software. Many companies, such as Microsoft, Adobe, and Apple, offer significant educational discounts as students and educators. These discounts can range from 20% to 80% off the regular price. To take advantage of these discounts, all you need to do is visit the company's official educational website and verify your student or educator status. This can be a huge help if you're in school or working in education, allowing you to access high-quality software without breaking the bank. Use open sourceware. Another fantastic option for saving money is to use open source software. Open source tools are developed by communities of volunteers, and they're often completely free to use. Open source software is typically not only free but also highly customizable. For instance, Vulk Media Player is a great alternative to paid media players. Blender offers powerful 3D modeling and animation features, and Thunderbird is a free, feature-rich email client. The best part? Open source software is often supported by a passionate community, ensuring regular updates and troubleshooting help. While the learning curve may be steeper for some of these tools, the cost savings can be huge. Look for volume or site licenses. If you're running a business or managing software for a team, one of the best ways to save money on software is by purchasing volume or site licenses. These licenses allow you to buy multiple copies of the same software at a discounted rate. For example, both Microsoft and Adobe offer volume licensing options for businesses, which can significantly reduce the price per license. There are also enterprise and site-wide licenses available, allowing you to install software on multiple devices for a single flat rate. This can be a huge money saver if you're managing a team or working in a larger organization. Look for promotions, bundles, and discounts. Software companies often run promotions, bundles, and sales that can offer significant discounts. Big sales events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or back-to-school promotions are often great opportunities to save money. Additionally, some companies offer software bundles where you can purchase multiple programs at a discounted rate. Websites like Humble Bundle frequently offer bundles of software, including games, for a fraction of their usual price. Signing up for newsletters from software providers or following them on social media is another way to stay informed about discounts. By taking advantage of these offers, you can get the software you need without paying full price. Use software trials and freemium models. For some software, you can take advantage of free trials or freemium models. Many software companies offer limited-time trials that allow you to access premium features before committing to a full purchase. For example, Microsoft 365 offers a 1-month free trial, and Adobe provides free trials for its entire Creative Cloud suite. If you're looking for an ongoing solution, but don't want to commit right away, these trials can help you decide if the software is worth the investment. Additionally, many tools such as Canva offer a freemium model, where basic features are free, and you can pay for additional features as needed. Consider cloud software. Lastly, consider switching to cloud-based software. Cloud-based applications such as Google Docs, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive can significantly reduce your overall software costs. These tools are often subscription-based, but they remove the need for expensive desktop software and frequent updates. They also offer the benefit of working across multiple devices, without needing to purchase separate licenses for each one. Cloud software is also ideal for collaboration, so it's great for teams or businesses that need to share documents and files seamlessly. So there you have it, several ways to save money on software licenses. Whether it's opting for free alternatives, taking advantage of student discounts, or switching to subscription models, there are plenty of ways to reduce your software costs while still getting the tools you need. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on tech and budgeting. If you have any other tips for saving money on software, or have questions about specific tools, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, good luck and peace.